In this video, I'll be showing you how to get free games on Mac and download and install them. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any Mac that you have. It doesn't really matter which one. So all you want to do to get some free games is go over to your App Store. Now, once you're here, you can just go over to the Play tab if you're looking for games specifically. And then over here, you're going to see a lot of games, and some of them are going to be paid for, yes, but a lot of them, and a lot of big ones, are going to be completely free to buy. Most recent one is Neverness to Everness, and it's a massive game with a massive open world. I've also played it as well, and it is pretty cool. So if you want to play something like this on the map, you can just literally go ahead and press get, and then it's going to install. It might need your password for your Apple ID, but besides that, it's going to just instantly install, and then you can obviously just go through and find anything else that you want, because there are a lot of free games. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.